Hey everyone, if you want to create flowcharts in Miro in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to build clear and professional flowcharts for your projects and workflows. First, a flowchart is a visual diagram used to represent processes, decisions, and workflows. Start by logging into your Miro account and opening your dashboard. Click the New Board button to create a blank workspace. From the toolbar, select Shapes and Connectors or open the Templates library and choose a flowchart template. Insert common flowchart symbols like process boxes, decision diamonds, and start or end points. Use connector lines and arrows to show how each step flows to the next. Label each step clearly so the flowchart is easy to understand. Change colors, line styles, and layout to make your diagram more organized. Invite teammates to edit and review the flowchart together in real time. For better readability, keep your flowchart simple and use consistent symbols throughout the diagram. A common mistake is overcrowding the flowchart with too many connections and unnecessary steps. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create flowcharts in Miro in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.